Making sense of ness and ity, expanding your English vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel where we simplify the beautiful complexity of the English language. Today, we're diving deep into the world of suffixes, specifically ness and ity. These suffixes are incredibly useful in forming nouns from adjectives. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin, it's crucial to understand what a suffix is. In English language, a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to change its meaning. This could be to form a different word class from the original, add on to the base meaning of the word, or even create an entirely new word. Now, let's talk about our first suffix for today, ness. The ness suffix is used to form nouns from adjectives. It generally denotes a state or quality. For example, if we take the adjective happy and add the suffix ness, we get happiness, meaning the state of being happy. Let's try a few more examples to practice. Kind, adjective, plus ness equals kindness, noun. Sad, adjective, plus ness equals sadness, noun. Strong, adjective, plus ness equals strength, noun. Remember, the ness suffix generally creates a noun that describes a state or condition. Moving on to our next suffix, ity. The ity suffix is also used to form nouns from adjectives, usually indicating a state or condition. However, it's often used with more complex or formal adjectives. For instance, the adjective equal can become equality when we add the ity suffix. Let's dive into some examples. Active, adjective, plus ity equals activity, noun. Dense, adjective, plus ity equals density, noun. Possible, adjective, plus ity equals possibility, noun. Just like ness, ity is a powerful tool to create nouns that describe states or conditions. And that's it for today. We hope this video has shed some light on the use of the suffixes ness and ity in English. With these tools, you'll be able to expand your vocabulary and understand more complex English words. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using your new vocabulary in sentences to make them a part of your active vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy language learning!